Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making healthy chocolate chip cookies. Let's get to the kitchen. Today we have another super easy recipe. All we'll need to do is mix, roll, and bake. To start, let's preheat our oven at 380 degrees, then put all the ingredients except for the chocolate chips into a large bowl. You can find the ingredients in the description below. Mix well until a ball of dough is formed. Once everything is mixed well, we add in our chocolate chips. Mix the chocolate chips into the dough. We add in the chocolate last because we can adjust the amount of chips to add to the dough. This really depends on your preferred dough to chip ratio. Once the dough is ready, take a small chunk of dough and roll it into a sphere. It should look something like this. Now keep rolling until you use up the rest of the dough. Stick your cookie balls into the oven and let it bake for 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, take the cookies out. Make sure not to leave them in the oven too long because it will continue to cook as it cools. Let them cool for 10 minutes and they should be ready. Taste test time! Let's add in some ice cream. Delicious. RIP. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.